Welcome back. Today in this video we will learn how to make a crochet motif like this. This motif we need to make a 5 petal flowers and then we join them as we go. You can see each flower is connected to the other one. First we will go on the row, then we start working in the second row and we will join them with the rows and between the rows as well. So each flower is connected from the sides and from the top. And if the flower is in the middle, then it will be connected from the 4 sides, from the top, side, bottom, and from other side and other top as well. So let's start working on this. And once you know how to make this motif, you can use it in various ways. You can make a cushion cover, you can make a top with this, you can make a scarf, you can make a bag. There are endless options that you can do with this motif. So let's learn how to make it. To make this motif, you need to have some yarn. I am using double knit yarn, and the hook that I am using with this is 5.5 millimeter hook. Let's start working on this. I have made small flowers, they're not very big. And for this flower I need to make a chain of 9 stitches. If you want to make it a bit more smaller, then we can reduce the chain like for 6. Okay, so let's start. We will start by making 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you have 6 chains, then we will join them by making a slip stitch in the first chain. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the chat box. Here we have joined our last and first chain and made a ring like that. Now we need to make all the petals inside the ring. Now we will make 6 chains now. No, we make 2 chains, not 6. We are making a smaller flower, not the big one. So we'll make 2 chains only. 2 chains, turn your work over like this. And now we will make a double crochet. Yarn over, pull two loops and stop working here, as we have to make 2 double crochets together. Yarn over again, go back in the same space, pull a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, 3 are remaining. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. First we made 2 chains and then we made 2 double crochets together inside the ring. Let me zoom in a bit. Now we will make 2 chains again, and then we will slip stitch inside the ring like that. We completed our first petal. For the people who are joining now, we made 6 chains and then we joined last chain with the first by making a slip stitch in the first chain, and then after joining we made 2 chains. This was 2 chains, and then we made 2 double crochets together inside the ring, and then we made 2 chains and made a slip stitch inside the ring, and that's how we created the first petal. Now for the second petal we will make 2 chains and then we will make 2 double crochets together inside the ring. Now make 2 chains and make a slip stitch inside the ring to join, like that. Our second petal is done as well. Here you can see we have 2 petals of the flower done. Now for the third petal, chain 2, yarn over, and make 2 double crochets together inside the ring. Yarn over. Once the first half double crochet is half done, then we start working the second one in the ring, like that. And now yarn over and complete them. Chain 2 and slip stitch inside the ring. And with that we completed our third petal. Now we will just push them closer to each other. We need to make 2 more petals for this flower. So again 2 chains, then 2 double crochets together inside the ring. Now we will make 2 chains and slip stitch inside the magic ring. With that we completed our 4 petals. Now we need to make our last petal. Chain 2. Now there's one more thing that we need differently here, that we will make 3 double crochets together here, as this is the last stitch, the last petal of the flower, and we don't want to make it small because we will not do chain 2 stitch and slip stitch inside the ring for the last petal. So here we make 3 double crochets together. So now chain 2 and then we will make 3 double crochets together inside the ring for the last petal. This third one. Here we complete. We can see that all our petals look like the same. They should look like the same. And now we will start working for the second flower. We will make 9 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Our first flower is done, and now we start working the second flower in the same row. We have 9 chains here. Now we need to make a slip stitch in the 6th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6th chain, we made a slip stitch and join to create the ring. And here we will make 2 more chains and do the slip stitch in the 3rd chain here. The chains that are remaining in the 3rd chain, we will make a slip stitch again. Now this is the ring where we will work, and these 2 will be the part of the petals. So we will turn our work like this here, and now we will make 1 double crochet here inside the ring. Remember, from now on we will do the first petal this way for all the flowers. Okay, so our double crochet is done. Now we will make 2 chains and make a slip stitch inside the ring to join it. Our first petal is complete. Now we will do 2 chains again, and then we need to make 2 double crochets together inside this ring. Now chain 2 after doing 2 double crochets together, and before we do this we need to join it with the petal that is behind us, so we will skip the chain 2, we will turn it like that, and then slip stitch with this petal that is behind the in the previous flower. Make a slip stitch inside the flower just to join it with the previous flower. Now we will make 2 chains and join in the ring that we were working earlier. Now we need to start working in the next flower. I will make 2 chains and then 2 double crochets together in the ring. Chain 2 and slip stitch inside the ring. In the same way we will make one more petal, chain 2 and then 2 double crochets together, chain 2 again and slip stitch inside the ring. Again we will start working in the last flower of the petal. Last petal is different from the remaining petal as well. Chain 2 and then 3 double crochets together inside the ring for the last petal. Yarn over and pull through all the loops, and with that we completed our 5 petals, 1 2 3 4 5, and now we will start working on the next flower. So here we will make 9 chains again, 6 7 8 and 9. We will repeat the same process that we did with the previous petal. Now we will start working the same thing with this yarn, as this yellow yarn is more visible than the red one. It was kind of a bit too dark for the camera. So now I will work with this yellow yarn and you can see everything more clearly. Hello, how are you? Thank you for watching. Okay, when we are starting the flower, we need to make 6 chains for the first flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once we have 6 chain, then we make slip stitch in the first chain to join the round or to form the ring, like this, making a slip stitch in the first stitch. Once you have a ring like this, then we make 2 chains and start working for our first petal of the flower. We will yarn over and go in the ring. We have to make 2 double crochets together to make the petal. Inside the ring we will make 2 double crochets together. Yarn over again, as we are working 2 double crochets together. Once the 2 double crochet together is done like that, then we make 2 more chains and make slip stitch inside the ring to join it. And with that we complete our first petal of the flower. Remember, the last petal of the flower will be a bit different, and from the next flower the first petal will be different as well. Now we will make 2 chains again for the second petal, then 2 double crochets together inside the ring, two chains, and then slip stitch back in the ring. Again 2 chains and make 2 double crochets together. Two chains, slip stitch back in the ring. We are going to make 5 petals for this flower. Once the slip stitch is done, then make 2 chains, remember, for the last petal of the flower we need to do 3 double crochets together.